Here's a short video about changing the oil on the 97 Winebago 455 Chevy engine. Pretty easy, don't be scared. Just get underneath, drain the oil, and here's the oil filter. So this is driver's side. That's the front of the bus. Oil pan. Sorry, light is. Oil pan, and then you go up top of the exhaust. There's the filter. Easy. Don't be scared. Do it. Now the only thing I'm a little confused is that the manual says that this engine takes 9 quarts of oil, and actually mine takes 7. And there's a note in the front that says that, because first time I changed the oil, I put 9 quarts and it was too much on the dipstick. Had to drain it out. Then I found that note that says 7 quarts. If anyone can leave a comment and throw some light into this, I'll be very happy. If you have any questions, I did more work on this engine. I did tune-ups, changed the spark plugs, distributor cap, and I can help you with any questions and concerns you have. Thank you for watching. See you later.